Birthdays, those annual celebrations marking the passage of time, have always held a special place in my heart. Every year, as the calendar page turns to that significant date, a unique blend of excitement and reflection fills the air. My birthday, a day that is exclusively mine, becomes a canvas upon which memories are painted and emotions are woven into the fabric of time. The anticipation begins weeks before the actual day. It's not just about the presents or the party, it's a moment to pause and take stock of the journey so far. As the days inch closer, I find myself reminiscing about the previous years, the laughter, the surprises, and the lessons learned. Birthdays, in essence, are more than just a celebration of life, they are a celebration of growth, resilience, and the tapestry of experiences that shape our existence. On the eve of my birthday, there's an undeniable sense of magic in the air. The anticipation builds like the crescendo of a symphony, each passing moment carrying the promise of a new chapter. It's a time when even the mundane seems to sparkle with possibilities. The clock ticks away, and I can't help but marvel at how a single day can hold so much significance. As the first rays of the sun kiss the horizon on the morning of my birthday, I wake up with a sense of gratitude. Another year has been added to the tapestry of my life, and I can't help but feel a surge of appreciation for the experiences, both joyful and challenging, that have molded me into the person I am today. The mirror reflects not just my physical self, but also the journey etched on my face, a roadmap of laughter lines and a testament to resilience. The day unfolds with a mixture of planned festivities and spontaneous moments. The first order of the day is, of course, the traditional birthday breakfast. Whether it's a stack of pancakes drenched in maple syrup or a plate of perfectly scrambled eggs, the meal sets the tone for the day. There's something about breaking bread on your birthday that makes it taste a little bit better, a little bit more special. Gifts, wrapped in colorful paper and adorned with boughs, wait patiently to be unwrapped. The excitement of discovering what lies beneath the wrapping paper is akin to embarking on a treasure hunt. Each gift tells a story, a thoughtful gesture, a carefully chosen item that reflects the giver's understanding of my likes and dislikes. It's not about the material possession, but the sentiment behind it, a tangible expression of love and affection. The day unfolds in a symphony of colors, laughter, and shared moments. Friends and family gather, adding their own hues to the canvas of my celebration. The joy of being surrounded by loved ones is unparalleled. Birthdays, after all, are not just a solo performance, but a collaborative effort, a celebration of the bonds that weave us into the intricate fabric of relationships. Amidst the laughter and chatter, there's a moment of quiet reflection. I find myself pausing to take in the scene, the smiling faces, the clinking of glasses, and the warmth that fills the room. It's a snapshot of happiness, a tableau that I wish to etch in my memory forever. Birthdays, I realize, are not just a celebration of self, but also a celebration of the connections that make life rich and meaningful. The day wouldn't be complete without the customary birthday cake. Whether it's a decadent chocolate confection or a light and airy sponge, the cake takes center stage. The flickering candles, a metaphor for the passing years, are ceremoniously lit. As I make a wish and blow out the candles, there's a sense of hope, a belief in the potential of the year ahead and the dreams waiting to unfold. As the day draws to a close, there's a sense of contentment that settles in. The echoes of laughter, the warmth of hugs, and the shared moments become cherished memories. Birthdays, I've come to realize, are not just about the passing of time but about the richness of experiences and the people who accompany us on this journey. In the quiet moments before sleep claims me, I reflect on the day's events. The gifts may fade, the cake may be eaten, but the essence of the day lingers. Birthdays are not just a marker of age, but a celebration of life, a reminder to savor the present, cherish the past, and embrace the future with open arms. As I drift into slumber, I carry with me the warmth of the day, the love of those who celebrated with me, and the promise of a new year filled with possibilities. My birthday, a chapter in the ongoing narrative of my life, may be over, but the echoes of celebration reverberate, reminding me that each day is a gift waiting to be unwrapped, and life itself is the grandest present of all.